टोली चौकी में वाक़े सेंट जोसेफ जूनियर कॉलेज में साइंस फेयर मुनक़िद हुआ। इस साइंस फेयर में कसीर तादाद में बच्चों ने हिस्सा लिया। इस साइंस फेयर को मुसलसिल 4 सालों से मुनक़िद किया जा रहा है। इस कॉलेज के 10 साल भी मुकम्मिल हो गए। इसके 4 ब्रांचेस भी है जिसमें बच्चे और बच्चियों के लिए अलहदा रखा गया है।
On behalf of St. Joseph College. Our college has been established in the year 2004 and our principal name is Mrs. Sridevi Sangani and our director Sirajuddin. And we have around 4 branches of our college. One is at Himayatnagar and one at Attapur and 2 in Toli Chowki. One is boys block and one is girls block. And apart from that we have other different colleges of B.Ed and MBA colleges also. And every year, engineering colleges, every year we are conducting the science fair in our girls' campus. So the main motto of, since 4 years we are conducting the science fair, this is the 4th year of conducting the science fair. The main motto of conducting the science fair is to make the career development of the students. And since 4 years we are successfully, main motto to conduct the science fair is to give knowledge to the students for their career development. And the main, since 4 years we are conducting it and we are successfully conducting it every year. Okay, and example like the projects we are doing here, the example like we are doing the projects on Swiss Bank, we are doing the projects on live parliament, and we are doing the projects on how there will be interaction of customer and banker relationship on the bank. And apart from, we are doing the innovation schemes developed in the banking sector, and we are doing some communication skills and soft skills based on English.